Hello everyone!
Today, I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute watermelon piece. There are already many tutorials for whole watermelons, so this time we'll make a half watermelon that has already been cut open. First, create a magic ring using light green yarn. Then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. Pull the ring tight after finishing. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round. Round 2. Crochet 2 single crochet stitches into each stitch around. Note, from this point, we will alternate between 2 yarn colors. 1 single crochet with light green yarn, then 1 single crochet with dark green yarn. Repeat until the end of the round. After finishing, you should have a total of 12 stitches. Round 3. In the first stitch, crochet 2 single crochet stitches using light green yarn. In the second stitch, crochet 1 single crochet using dark green yarn. Repeat until the end of the round. You'll have a total of 18 stitches. Round 4. Crochet 1 single crochet into each of the first 2 stitches using light green yarn. In the third stitch, crochet 2 single crochet stitches using dark green yarn. Repeat this pattern until the end of the round. You will have a total of 24 stitches. Round 5. Crochet 1 single crochet into the first stitch using light green yarn. In the second stitch, crochet 2 single crochet stitches using light green yarn. Crochet 1 single crochet into each of stitches 3 and 4 using dark green yarn. Repeat this pattern until the end of the round. You will have a total of 30 stitches. Rounds 6 to 8. Crochet as follows. Crochet 1 single crochet into each of the first 3 stitches using light green yarn. Crochet 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches using dark green yarn. Repeat this pattern until the end of the round. Repeat for a total of 3 rounds. Round 9. Change to white yarn. Crochet the entire round using single crochet stitches. You'll have a total of 30 stitches. Round 10. Change to red yarn and crochet the same as round 9. Round 11. Crochet 1 single crochet into each of the first 3 stitches. Then crochet 1 decreased stitch. Repeat this pattern until the end of the round. You will have a total of 24 stitches. Round 12. Crochet 24 single crochet stitches evenly around. Round 13. Crochet the following pattern. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet. Repeat until the end of the round. You'll have a total of 18 stitches. Round 14. Crochet 18 single crochet stitches evenly around. Round 15. Crochet 9 decreased stitches in total. After finishing, you will have 9 stitches remaining. Finally, cut the yarn and sew the opening closed. Insert the red section into the outer rind section and you will have a half watermelon. Next, crochet the watermelon flesh pieces inside as follows. Create a magic ring. Chain 2. Crochet 5 double crochet stitches into the magic ring, but only pull through the yarn once for each stitch, leaving 1 loop from each stitch on the hook. After finishing, you should have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops at the same time. Next, chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the magic ring. Pull tight and fasten off the yarn. You have now completed 1 small watermelon piece. Make as many watermelon pieces as desired and place them inside the watermelon shell made earlier. You can secure them with glue for extra firmness. Attach a keychain ring and your cute watermelon keychain is complete. Good luck with your project! Don't forget to follow me for more new tutorials.